Students, today we are going to learn the last topic of the chapter, that is nitrogen cycle. But before moving on to the nitrogen cycle, we must know that what is nitrogen fixation. So rhizobium bacteria is involved in the fixation of nitrogen in leguminous plants. Rhizobium lives in the root nodule of leguminous plants such as beans and peas, with which it has a symbiotic relationship. Now, what is symbiotic relationship? In symbiotic relationship, both of them are benefited by the relationship. Okay, sometimes nitrogen gets fixed through the action of lightning. You might be wondering, how can it happen? Right? So what happened here? The lightning helped the nitrogen atom to split into two particles. They are NO, that is nitrogen monoxide, and NO2, that is the nitrogen dioxide. Okay, so by the action of some nitrogen fixing bacteria such as rhizobium or azotobacter, those two things form the organic nitrogen compound. So what happened? The nitrogen compounds are utilized by the plants. After that, when an animal eat those plants, they get those nitrogen compounds. Alright. Then when those animals die, the decomposers decompose their body, and hence the nitrogen compound again dissolve into the soil. Alright. Then see, again this nitrogen compound is dissolved into the soil. Nitrogen in the soil is converted into the atmospheric nitrogen by the action of some other kind of bacteria. They are called denitrifying bacteria. Atmospheric nitrogen can be fixed again by the nitrogen fixing bacteria and converting them into the nitrogen compound. Alright, so this is a cyclical pathway. Okay, so the nitrogen cycle is all about the movement of nitrogen between various elements on earth like air, soil, living organisms, etc. The amount of nitrogen in the atmosphere remains constant. This is the nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen is a major component of the nucleic acids and protein, and nucleic acid form the DNA and RNA, which form a life. So that is why it is so much essential. It also play major role in agriculture. Alright, so this is it for today. I will provide you the PDF of the exercise question answer. You have to go through all the question answers thoroughly and the chapter as well.